This is Dasher silicone reusable storage bag. Go. So the actually size is about 7 inches in length and the width is about 4.5 inches. Let me check the thickness. Thickness about 1.25 inches. And the first impression, the material is good. You can feel that it is very well manufactured and it's pre-molded. The shape is just like this. The top is clear and the bottom side is matte. And here is like a 2 handle. It's very easy to open, just like this. And actually it's very thick, very strong. And let me close it. So when you press really tight, it can fully seal. But I think if you press hard, it still can open it. Okay, just like this. Make sure that when you are doing microwaving or use it in the oven, so it's not going to be explode. Actually, it's pretty easy to open. So you can put food in it, but for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this little stuff in here. So this is the stuff I'm using every time I go out, but just somehow just very hard to find. And I put them into other bags. It's not clear, or just plastic. You know, plastic is very easy to make a hole or just rip. So I want to put all my little stuff in here. Especially here come with a little hook. You can put that onto your bag. Very easily you can find the stuff that you need. Or if you got some cables, you can put this one in there too. And also it's waterproof, so you don't need to worry about if any water gets in. And when you need it, so easy. Just take this one out. No problem at all. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.